Hello everyone, I am Arindam Ghoshal, ICC batch 2012. I have completed my engineering with electronics and communication from Techno India Salt Lake. Currently, I am related to media and TV industry. I am a professional MC, anchor, VJ, and a live show artist. As Sir insisted, sharing few snippets of my achievement. This is from the reality show The Adagiri Unlimited Season 4, which I won, hosted by Saurav Ganguly. This is the biggest and the most popular quiz reality show of the entire Eastern India, where I represented North 24 Parganas and donated 10 lakh rupees for the welfare of the underprivileged society. And this is the really most special picture, the most precious picture of 2020, as this is with respected sir and man from this year reunion. And here are few more pictures from my day-to-day work which I do. This is from the Femina magazine which covered me and my work, and this is a really special picture from the first day at school, lower nursery. From lower nursery to class 10, it has been the most longest and the most cherished journey of my life. And when it comes to my school, Assembly of Angels Secondary School, it brings back all the golden memories. And it is not only my school, it is also my second home for me. And I feel elated to say this, and I feel extremely proud to say this, that it has been 25 years. This year my school completes 25 glorious years. This is the silver jubilee year of my school. And as my school motto says, we're gonna aim for the best forever. And now when it comes to my experience, well, where to start from? As you all know, I have done my engineering and then pursued my passion and dream. And even here my school plays an important and integral role, because assembly not only focuses on having the brilliant stellar academic performance, but also focuses on extracurricular activities as well. I have participated in lots and lots of extracurricular activities, be it from national level quiz show, be it from sports event, music classes to drama classes, elocution to creative writing, from a Macmillan test to TTI's challenge. We have done it all. And also here, teacher believes that in each and every child has their own special ability. Every child is special in their own way, and which also gave me the confidence to dream about the passion of my life. Not only academics or co-curricular, my school takes care of the nature as well, and we have been taught and brought up amongst the goodness of motherland, and that is pretty eminent when you will enter our school. It is filled with lush green trees and beautiful flower all around. It just makes our mind refreshed. And not only that, we were taught how to conserve and preserve nature as well. I remember we attended a lots and lots of plantation program coordinated by my school, and which helped us. My school curriculum was not limited to mere syllabus. We were taught to learn from life and about life. We were taught to respect everyone. We were taught to never discriminate. My school made sure that we learned the value of life and its little moments. As much we learned from our books. While we visited old age homes, while we donated papers, clothes, and foods for the needy, unknowingly we learned the most important lessons of life, which is most crucial in the later life, which I realize now. Even when we now get back to school, this year we had our reunion. We were welcomed with love and warmest hug, just like the old days. And even now, after so many years, our teacher not only remember us by our names, but also by all our adventure, misadventures, and all the little memories we made with them. And this bond has only been being stronger and stronger with each passing year, and it's more like an immortal bond with the teacher. It may sound really funny, but if a genie ever comes to my life and asks me for one wish, I will gladly say I want to relive my innocence, I want to relive my childhood, I want to relive my school, I want to relive the morning prayers, I want to relive the green uniform of my school, I want to relive the inseparable friendship I want to relive the heated football and cricket match we had in our ground, all the bond we share with our class teachers and all the faculties. I want to relive them all. Oh God, I miss them all. Lastly, I want to say this again with all my heart that yes, Assembly of Angels Secondary School is the most cherished chapter of my life, and I want to thank Zaki sir and respected principal ma'am from the core of my heart from being the strongest pillar of my life. Thank you for everything. And lastly, I want to conclude by saying, we are the little angels assembled in paradise. We are the little soul, more innocent but wise. Thank you.